Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0116 indicates a problem with the Engine Coolant Temperature, ECT, Sensor 1, specifically a circuit range or performance issue. The ECT sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the temperature of the engine coolant, which is vital for optimal engine performance and emissions control. Measuring this temperature accurately allows the Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to adjust fuel injection, ignition timing, and other critical parameters. The ECT sensor is generally located near the thermostat housing on the engine block, making it easily accessible for diagnostics. This slide discusses the implications of this error code, suggesting that the vehicle's electrical system, as well as the cooling system, may be compromised, affecting overall functionality. Before commencing troubleshooting steps, it is essential to familiarize yourself with the general troubleshooting guidelines specific to DTC P0116, as these steps can streamline the diagnostic process. The DTC P0116 is specifically related to the Engine Coolant Temperature, ECT Sensor 1, which is integral in informing the engine control unit about the temperature of the engine coolant. Its primary role involves sending temperature readings to the Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, facilitating crucial adjustments in engine parameters. If the readings are inaccurate, the engine may run inefficiently or emit higher levels of pollutants. The ECT sensor is usually situated close to the thermostat housing, which allows it to gauge the exact coolant temperature flowing through the system. This sensor's incorrect readings can lead to various vehicle performance issues, potentially affecting fuel economy and engine longevity. Properly diagnosing and addressing this error code is vital for maintaining optimal engine performance and achieving compliance with emissions regulations. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P0116 being triggered. The first and most straightforward cause is a faulty ECT Sensor 1 itself, which can occur due to age, wear, or damage. Poor connections or loose terminals either at the ECT sensor or at the PCM can disrupt the electrical signals, leading to inaccurate readings being transmitted. These electrical connections need to be checked thoroughly, as they can often cause intermittent or persistent issues. Additionally, problems with the PCM could also affect its ability to interpret or respond accurately to the information sent by the ECT sensor. Each of these layers of potential failure must be examined closely during the diagnostic process to ensure proper resolution of the DTC P0116. When DTC P0116 is present, several symptoms may become apparent. The most noticeable indicator is the illumination of the check engine light, which serves as a warning that something is amiss in the engine management system. Additionally, drivers may experience poor engine performance, which can manifest as hesitation, sluggish acceleration, or stalling due to incorrect temperature readings affecting fuel injection rates. Increased emissions can also result from the engine not operating within its optimal temperature range, leading to inefficiencies in combustion. Overheating issues may arise as well, since the ECT sensor's readings are essential for regulating engine temperatures. If any of these symptoms present themselves, it's crucial to proceed with diagnostics to confirm the DTC P0116 and identify the underlying issue. The first troubleshooting step involves powering the vehicle to the on mode to engage the electronics without starting the engine. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, it's essential to check the parameters for the ECT Sensor 1, specifically observing the temperature readings. The threshold for proper function is more than 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. If the current conditions do not meet these specifications, it's vital to document the ECT sensor reading observed at this point. This step serves as a foundational diagnostic measure, as comparing the ECT sensor's actual performance against threshold values is crucial to identifying whether the system is operating normally. Should the values meet or exceed this threshold, it indicates the sensor system is functioning properly. Otherwise, further investigation is necessary. In the second troubleshooting step, if the ECT sensor does not meet the expected threshold, it's vital to note the current value of ECT sensor 1 before proceeding. Starting the engine and holding the RPM at 3000 without load ensures that the engine reaches a stable operating state. This is necessary because the temperature readings can fluctuate significantly under various conditions. And holding the RPM serves to create a consistent observational environment. Once stable, allowing the radiator fan to engage and then letting the engine idle is critical for fostering accurate temperature evaluations. After allowing the engine to stabilize, checking the ECT sensor reading again will reveal if there has been a change of 18 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius or more. This result will further direct your diagnostics. If a significant change is noted, it suggests an intermittent fault that requires exploration of electrical connections. In step 3 of the troubleshooting process, if the previous checks show that ECT sensor 1 has failed to meet criteria, turn the vehicle off and allow the engine to cool for at least 3 hours. This cooling period ensures that you can accurately assess the sensor's performance under lower temperature conditions. After this cooling phase, turn the vehicle back to the on mode to engage the diagnostic systems once more. With the HDS, check the ECT sensor readings again, comparing them as before to see if they change more than 18 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. A confirmed shift in these values means the issue likely lies with the sensor itself or the input-output relationships with the PCM, necessitating replacement of the ECT sensor if this failure is duplicated. After performing any necessary repairs, such as replacing the ECT sensor 1, it's essential to verify that the repair has been effective. Start by clearing all diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the PCM, including P0116. This process ensures that any residual faults are reset. Following this, a thorough test drive should be conducted to observe the vehicle's performance and monitor for any reoccurrence of symptoms, such as the check engine light illumination or fluctuations in engine behavior. Any persistent issues might indicate further underlying concerns that need addressing. Making sure that no symptoms remain after the repair confirms the success of the troubleshooting and repair steps taken. While specific preventive maintenance steps were not explicitly mentioned, applying routine inspections to critical components like the ECT sensor can help mitigate potential issues leading to DTC P0116 in the future. Regularly examining the ECT sensor and its connections can identify wear or damage before it results in failure. Ensuring that electrical connections remain tight and corrosion-free plays a pivotal role in maintaining accurate sensor readings. Additionally, periodic checks of the cooling system can help ensure that no leaks or blockages exist, as these can influence ECT sensor performance greatly. Employing these maintenance strategies can reduce the likelihood of encountering similar diagnostic trouble codes, contributing to the vehicle's longevity and reliability. In summary, DTC P0116 refers to a range performance issue with the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor 1, which is crucial for maintaining optimal engine temperature. The potential causes include a faulty sensor, poor electrical connections, or PCM-related failures. Symptoms often manifest as poor engine performance, increased emissions, and the activation of the check engine light. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach is key to identifying the root cause, verifying repairs, and implementing preventive measures can go a long way in availing future issues. Proper diagnostics not only address the immediate concern outlined by the DTC, but also ensure a longer lifespan and better performance for your vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.